Assalamualaikum to my respected Dr. Muhammad Kushairi Osman and my fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Radhi and today I'll be presenting on the application of artificial intelligence in solving real-world healthcare problems based on a high-impact journal article entitled The Past, Present and Future of the Healthcare Delivery System Through Digitalization. This article was written by Corina Saliaki and Samir Kumar and published in the IEE Engineering Management Review. This article was published in the IEE Engineering Management Review, a respected journal under the IEE publisher. Its impact factor as of 2022 is 4.5, which makes it a credible and relevant source for AI applications in healthcare. The main application area discussed in this article is healthcare, specifically focusing on chronic disease management like cardiovascular diseases, mental health conditions. It explores how AI technologies are integrated into digital health platforms, telemedicine, and wearable monitoring devices to support patient care, diagnosis, and treatment delivery. This is especially important in the context of evolving health needs globally, where early diagnosis, continuous monitoring, and efficient management of health data are very critical. The types of AI technologies highlighted in the article include: first is the machine learning, used for data analysis, prediction, and decision support system. Second is natural language processing (NLP) for processing medical records, speech recognition, and chatbot applications. Third is deep learning, specifically for image recognition in radiology and dermatology. And finally, computer vision for visual object detection in diagnostic imaging and remote monitoring systems. These AI technologies work alongside other digital tools like telehealth, wearable devices, and IoT-enabled sensors. Moving on to the next slide, the explanation of AI application. In healthcare, AI applications are diverse and transformative. For examples, AI-driven wearable sensors that can continuously monitor blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen saturation, providing real-time alerts. Second is the AI chatbot assists in appointment scheduling, answering medical queries, and even providing mental health support. Third is AI-powered image recognition tools, which analyzes medical images such as X-rays or skin lesions photographs to assist in diagnosis. And finally, the predictive analytics models can forecast hospital readmissions or identify high-risk patients based on health records. The article tracks the healthcare delivery system's evolution from the traditional uh, in-person visits to today's digital platform and the anticipated AI-powered personalized health management of the future. So next slide is we'll be talking about the advantages of using AI. So the advantages of integrating AI in healthcare are substantial as below. First, it's faster, accurate diagnostics as it improves the speed and accuracy while it enables the real-time continuous health monitoring. And third, it reduces the human errors in diagnosis and treatment. Fourth, it supports the remote healthcare delivery through telemedicine. And finally, it facilitates the personalized medicine tailored to individuals' patients' data. Uh, for In conclusion, it is a very cost-effective preventive healthcare as AI transforms the healthcare from a reactive treatment to a proactive preventive care. Moving on to the next slide, we will be discussing the disadvantages of using AI and its limitations. From the article, it also highlights some of the limitations for using AI in healthcare. First is the data privacy and security concerns are significant when dealing with sensitive patients' data. And second is the AI models can exhibit bias if trained on unbalanced data sets. And third, there will be a digital divide, meaning that access to AI-based healthcare might be limited in rural or underprivileged areas. Fourth, the over-dependence on self-monitoring devices may cause anxiety or misinformation amongst the patient. And finally, the ethical and legal regulations for AI applications in healthcare are still evolving, which can impact the limitations on the AI that we currently have. Moving on to the next slide, we just talk about the impact on health, culture, society, and the environment. So AI in healthcare impacts several aspects for the aspect of health and safety. It enhances the early detection and continuous monitoring, can improve patient outcomes and reduce mortality rates. Second, how it affects the culture. There will be a cultural shift towards the digital self-care where patients are more involved in managing their health. Next is the society. Telemedicine bridges the healthcare access gap, especially in remote or rural areas. And finally, for the environment, fewer physical hospital visits can cause the reduced transportation emissions and resource usage, contributing to the environmental sustainability. So, in conclusion, this article demonstrates how AI is not just a technological innovation, but a very critical enabler of healthcare transformation. From wearable health sensors to predictive analytics and AI assisted diagnostics, the integration of AI ensures more personalized, efficient, and accessible care for all. However, such limitations such as the data privacy, the frameworks must be addressed to help maximize the benefits of using AI. As the healthcare currently continues to digitalize, the AI will play a very critical role in improving the quality of the care, extending life expectancy, and enhancing overall public health outcomes. So that's all from me. Thank you. And from the slide presented below is the reference for my article that I use.